Morning, all of you.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
How are
morning.
you?
I'm fine. How are
Good
you?
morning, sir. The fantastic.
Beta. Now, all of you, we have to do
Sir,
the
that
last
exercise.
exercise, right?
Last exercise. Yes,
Of
sir.
the chapter collection and organization of data.
Sir, ratio and proportion is also coming.
Ratio and proportion is also coming.
So, sir, this much syllabus is coming and we are lacking of time. So, we'll able to
Yes,
complete.
we will be able to complete it if suppose we are short of time. Then I will be taking some extra classes to complete it. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, sir. So, just opening my camera in a second and taking my
Like
notebook and
Sadhana ma'am is also taking extra classes. I will also be taking extra classes if required. So this is now exercise 21C based on mode. Okay. Question 1, first part we can do in the book. Mode is nothing but just the highest frequency. The observation which has the highest frequency is the mode of the given data. Highest frequency कैसे पता चलेगी? The maximum number of times a particular observation you see, जो सबसे ज्यादा times आपको देखेगा data में, that is mode. Okay. So for example, the first part of question 1. Are you ready?
Yes,
Can we discuss the first question?
yes, sir.
So first one, the data is 10, 8, 4, 7, 8, 11, 15, 8, 6, 8. So which number is coming most times? Which number is appearing again and again the maximum number of times? कौन सा number है?
sir, 8.
The number is 8, correct. So because 8 is coming maximum number of times, so we will say that its frequency is highest and hence it is the mode of the given data. Mode is equal to 8. You can write the answer in the book itself. Easy. Understood what is mode?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
It
So,
is the
means in the
easiest.
question, the frequency is the mode of any number will be the mode of the data.
Yeah. Highest frequency.
I got it.
Okay. The observation which has the highest frequency is mode. Okay. Question 2, second part. Tell the answer. What is mode?
sir. 27.
So, 27.
Mode is equal to 27. It is coming highest number of times. So this is mode. Okay, write the answer in the book. Question 2. The ages of 11 cricket players are given below. Tell me, what is the answer? Ages are given below. What is the mode?
32. No, so just checking.
28, 34, 32, 41, 36, 32, 32, 38, 32, 40, 31.
So 32 only, I thought.
Correct. 32 is the answer. It is coming most number of times. So mode is 32.
32.
Okay. Question number 3. Now in this one,
We have to find median.
first of
and
all,
mean.
there is something written in the question. देखो, you have to find median, you have to find mean, you have to find mode using empirical formula. Empirical formula is not in your syllabus. Empirical formula is something which is there in syllabus in class 10th. Okay.
So 10. So we
Yes.
are studying now.
And 9th also, 9th and 10th. It is not there in your syllabus, 7th class students, not in your syllabus.
So we'll
So
cut this question.
we will not cut the question. We will find
Only the sending.
mode by the simple method. What is mode? Mode is the observation which has the highest frequency. Am I right or not? Tell me the definition, all of you. Observation that
Highest
has the
frequency
highest
of a number.
frequency, not highest frequency. Observation which has the highest frequency is mode. Okay.
Observation which I-
Okay. So can you tell me out of these, look at the table given and tell me what is the highest frequency here? Frequencies for the number of workers. These are frequencies. What is the highest
The
frequency?
12.
12. And what is the observation for this frequency? कौन से observation की frequency 12 है? 525 rupees 525. So this is your mode. Answer. Rupees 525 is the mode. Simple. The observation which is coming most number of times is known as mode. Okay. Actually, empirical formula, it should not be there because empirical formula is something which is used for grouped data. This data is not grouped. This is ungrouped data. So it is wrong to give this formula here in your syllabus. It should not be there. Okay. Now the second thing, you have to find median and mean also. So this we are not finding it because we have already done this thing in previous exercises. So I will ask you to find the mean only in the fourth question. Okay, just question 4. Just in question 4 you have to find the mean, not in all the other questions. Okay, all of you. So question 4 you all will be doing in your copies. Everyone take out your copy. Find the mean. How to find the mean? What is the formula when the data is given in the form of a table?
Sigma
Sir,
SI divided by
sigma SIFI.
Sigma
divided by
xi fi.
upon sigma FI.
Absolutely right. Very good. Mean is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. This is the formula. So we will be using this formula to find mean for the data that is given in question 4. You have to make the table in your copy. Find out the column
Sir,
of, make a column of
Sir, in
fxi.
this question,
Sir, done it.
sir,
Yes.
sir, I want to ask that. So in this question, we have to frame the data in ascending order or not?
No, because when we are finding mean, we don't arrange the data in ascending order. It is not
So
required.
because in question number 12, I haven't like done in the ascending order. I saw that. So just
When we are
completed.
finding, I am asking you just to find the mean only for revision. Okay. Otherwise, we have already done mean and median in the previous exercises, so not required. So question 4, just find out the mean just for revision, and then just tell the mode directly like this in question 3. Just हमने question 3 में mode निकाला था. In the same way, you will find mode in question 4 also, and also find the mean. Everyone, start doing question 4. And you will post your answers in the group.
Sir, which question?
Question 4, beta. Mean. Find out the mean in question 4. Draw a table. Use the formula. Done.
So this is cheating. So if she has done, she have to do again.
नहीं बेटा सारा
Sir,
do it.
she is
do it
not
in-
Sir, I have done it in evening. Sir, सानिया ऐसा करती है SST की क्लास
Listen,
में
listen,
पहले
listen,
से करके रखती है और भेजती रहती है.
Listen, no
Sir, तब
problem.
तो मैं
No problem. No problem. Sarah, can you do it again?
Sir, I have done it again,
Beta,
sir.
हाँ, नहीं बेटा, just for it, it will be your benefit only. Do it again.
Yes.
अच्छी बात है ना.
Sir, it wasn't homework, so I have done it.
तो if you will do it again, किसका फायदा होगा? तुम्हारी तो होगी. Am I right? Do it again.
Yes.
I hope you all are doing it. Kanak, Paridhi, Zehra, Sara, Nishu,
Yes, sir, just doing it.
Ania, Vrinda,
Yes, sir.
Harshdeep.
Yes, sir. doing.
Very good. Is all of you done?
Sir, done.
Okay, Sarah has done it.
Sir, in 12.
Sarah, it was question. Achha, you found the mean in question number 3. Okay,
Yes.
send it. Send the answer of question 4 also, all of you.
Sir, I'm doing.
Okay, tell me the mode first, all of you. What is the mode in question 4? Mode, not mean.
Sir, the mode of question
The
for
mode is 22 12.
sir mode
12
is
number of it.
sir mode is 22.6.
22, beta.
Sorry. 16.
So 22.6, where is it?
22. Mode is 22
22. Number of students 12.
because the
Sir,
highest
mode.
frequency is 12,
yes,
so
sir.
the mode is 22. Simple. Okay.
So just
So
have to-
22 is the mode in question 4. Mean you all are finding. Completed it or not? Is it difficult? Yes, all of you. Completed or not?
Yes,
Sir, just
sir, I'm
about
just
to.
checking my answers. So my Fi is equal to 41 by adding this all, and Fixi I'm just checking again. Is it 899?
So I have completed it. So do we have to send this on group or you will check?
Send it in the group.
Okay.
Yes, send it in the group. 30, 85, 200, correct, and 12. 12 into 20 is 240, 240 plus 24, 244, 264, correct. 25 into 8, again 200, correct. 30 into 4, 120, correct. Okay, so when we add all these, 400, 400 plus 150, 650, sorry, 550, 550 plus 264, 757, 814, correct. 899 F sigma Fi xi is 899, sigma Fi is 41. 17 plus 12, 31
So
plus
send
12. Sorry, 39 plus 12, 41. 29 plus 12, 41. One. Absolutely right, Kanak. Very good. Kanak, correct answer. Sania, Sania beta, your answer is correct. Very good, excellent. But ये जो when you're finding the mean, don't include it in the table. Do it separately. Table के अंदर मत बनाओ उसको, ठीक है?
sir,
Mean.
actually I have done I
You
have made
made
the
the
biggest
table
table,
first,
so
and
because
then
of
you
it.
realize that you have made a big table. It was
Yes.
not
Sir,
required.
answer is coming a bit wrong. I'm just checking it again.
Hmm. Yes, others. Please send it.
Okay, sir, I found my mistake. Just correcting it.
Very good, Sarah. Absolutely right.
So we have to find the mode also.
Yes, just write the mode. Mode is 22.
Okay.
All of you. Those who are remaining, please send it in the group. Vrinda, Nishu, Harshdeep. Done.
So I've done it and I'm sending on the group and it's just loading.
Okay.
It will take
Sir,
just
that
1 minute.
happened with me also. So let
Okay.
me send. So after Kanak, I sent it. So but it
Okay.
was loading and loading.
Okay.
And sir, but my network is very good, and so that's why I'm on the meeting.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
So actually, I'm with my laptop, so that's why I cannot send it.
Okay, have you done it, Vrinda?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, when
Okay.
I'm sending it, it's
Hmm.
showing file can't be supported.
File can't be supported. Is there something wrong with WhatsApp today?
So
Sir,
maybe
it also
our
happened in this
Yes, sir,
time
there
slot.
is something wrong with WhatsApp today.
Because all these days there was some problem with Zoom going on. Today Zoom is working fine.
so my WhatsApp is hanging. So when I'm
Today,
doing
No, sir,
sometimes
like sometimes it happens when we are working with many devices, so just cutting and so we are
hmm.
working on many devices, so it happened sometimes.
Hmm. Today Zoom is working fine, so I think there is some problem with WhatsApp today. Okay, so
So they
everyone,
cooperate each other.
yes, compliment each other. अगर तू ऐसा नहीं करेगा तो मैं ऐसा कर दूंगा, तू नहीं करेगा तो मैं नहीं करूंगा तो तू कर देना.
Yes,
सर
sir.
मतलब कि कोई एक से कम नहीं.
So
question number
the
5.
mode in question number 5, just the mode. Just tell me the mode. Look at the table and tell me the mode. Write the answer in the book only. Question
Sir,
5, all of you.
The mode is
Sir,
448.
mode is 48.
The mode is
48.
48, correct. Because the highest frequency is 4 and the observation which has the highest frequency is 48. Okay. So that means 48 is the mode.
Yes.
Chapter is over. Congratulations.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we are just by seeing we are able to see what is the mode of this question. So sir, why here is written the using a empirical formula? We should
beta.
like forget it.
Haan.
So calculated modes.
Just find the mode orally like that only. Just see the table and tell the mode. You have to tell the mode for ungrouped data like this only. This data is ungrouped. This empirical formula should not be there in the book. It is given wrong in the book. Empirical formula or any other formula to find mode is used when the data is grouped. Okay. Or when you don't know what is the data, you know the mean and you know the median, suppose, and the table is not given, then you can use empirical formula to find mode. Okay. So here it is not required. I don't know why they have given.
The chapter is finished.
Yeah. So let's start with the new chapter. The chapter is ratio and proportion. Everyone, please open it. Ratio and proportion, question number 1. Not before starting the question, sorry. Okay, everyone. What do you understand by ratio?
So ratio in between two dots like colon and proportion.
That is
I know
symbol
how
of
to.
symbol of ratio. What is the meaning of ratio?
Yes, yes. I don't know.
What is the meaning
Sir,
of
like we
ratio?
are dividing a thing into those parts. Sir, like we have
In
5,
proportion.
so we have 6 apples. And sir, we are dividing into 2 parts, such that one will get more and second will get some less than.
In a particular given manner, if you divide something in a particular manner, suppose you divide something in 2 parts where the values of the 2 parts are fixed. Okay. For example, suppose if there is something like 3:4, suppose 3:4, this is a ratio. Now I have, suppose I have, suppose 7 triangles, 1 2 3 4 5 6, ये थोड़ा बड़ा बन गया, 7. So there are 7 triangles. Okay. So there are 7 triangles. Now dividing these 7 triangles in the ratio 3:4, how we can divide it? Suppose we take 3 triangles in one group and 4 triangles in the other group.
4 in another.
So we have divided
divided
the
like-
triangles in the ratio 3:4. Can we do it with only 7 triangles? Can't we do it with more number of triangles? Yes, we can do with 14
Okay.
triangles also. We can divide 14 triangles in the ratio 3:4. Again, how? Suppose there are 14 triangles instead of 7. So what you can do, you can divide 6 triangles in the
7.
first group. No, not 7. 6 triangles in the first group and 8 triangles in the second group. What is the sum? Okay, 14.
3.
So for-
Yes, sir.
14 triangles. We have in the first group, I have taken 6 triangles. In the second group, I have taken 8 triangles.
Yes.
Again, the ratio is
So
same.
now also
We
it is
can
3
change
and
the
4.
ratio
3
in
ratio
fraction
4.
first. You can change the ratio. This is 6:8, but you can change it in fraction first and then simplify it. What do you get? You get 3/4 and again convert it in a ratio 3:4. Okay. Can we say that the ratio is same? So we can divide more items also in the same ratio. In fact, we can divide only one item in the same ratio 3:4 also. This is a circle. I am dividing the circle into 3:4 in a ratio 3:4. Suppose if I do 7 equal parts of this circle, 7 equal parts, let's just say that these are all equal. Okay. All the parts are equal. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, मान लो सब equal है. So these are 7 parts. 3, 4, 5, 6. ये तो 8 हो गए. पहले 7 थे.
So it is looking like pizza slice.
So 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. हाँ, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I divide this circle, suppose it is a cake. If I divide the cake in such a manner that one piece, this piece, is equal to 3 small pieces, and the other piece, this one, is equal to 4 small pieces, then we can say that we have divided the cake. It is a piece of cake which we have divided in the ratio 3:4. Understood? So very similar to fraction, this thing. So we can change ratio in fraction, and again we can change the fraction in the form of a ratio. So it is a useful thing. Let's start with exercise. We will first learn how to change a ratio in simplest form. Exercise 8A, question number 1, first part. What is the ratio given in the first part, all of you?
So 24 ratio 40.
24 ratio 40. Now how to do it? How to change a particular ratio in simplest form? There are many ways of doing it. One of the ways which I like is divide both the terms in the ratio by same
2?
number or multiply by same number, whatever the requirement is. So we are dividing straight away. Can we divide by 8? Take a big number.
Yes, sir.
We can divide by 8 straight away. So divide both the terms of the ratio by same number. We can do it, and therefore now we get 3:5 after dividing. So this is the simplest form of the ratio. Okay, like you do in fractions also, but in fraction you don't write like this. In ratio we write like this. This is the only difference. Okay. Let's do the second part of the question. Ready, all of you? Have you all understood the first part, everyone? We can
Yes.
multiply a particular ratio. We can multiply both the terms of a particular ratio by same number. The ratio will remain the same. We can divide both the terms of a ratio by same number. No problem. Again, the ratio will remain the same. So multiply, divide, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, whatever the requirement is. So for example, in the second part, I will be using multiplication. So the first term is a decimal number in this. Second
So
term is
we
of
can divide it by 5.
natural number, whole number. So what to do in this case? You can first multiply by 10 to
10
make it a whole number.
to remove decimal.
To remove decimal. So because we are multiplying the first term by 10, we have to multiply the second term also by 10. दोनों तरफ करना पड़ेगा. जो भी काम करेंगे we will do for both the terms. ऐसा नहीं करेंगे कि एक जगह कर दिया दूसरी जगह नहीं करा. Understood all of you? Getting it or not?
Yes.
So we get 135 ratio 15. Sorry, 150. Now what? Now we can simplify. Can we divide by 5? 135 divided by 5 ratio 150 divided by 5. Are you all getting it or not, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so what do we get? We get 27 ratio 10. Sorry, 27, 30. 15 से भी करेंगे. So we could have done it by 15 also. चलो कोई नहीं, next step. So what do we get? We get 30.
30.
Now we can divide by 3 also. 27 divided by 3
Yes,
and
sir.
30 divided by 3. We get 9 ratio 10.
9 ratio 10.
Okay, 9 is to 10. Is to भी बोलते हैं इसको. In short, we
Yes,
say
sir.
the double dots are
Sir,
also
when we
known
are
as
pronouncing it in a notebook, so it's 2.
9 is to 10. Got it, all of you? Can you all try the third one? Just try it. No problem if you don't get it.
So I'm trying. So like what was that Sanya said that I have done it earlier and so I am sending. So I have sent third answer that time. So I haven't shared that
Okay.
fourth one that you asked.
Okay, no problem, beta, no problem.
So the third one we have to do, no?
Yes, third part.
Sir, if in denominator is same, so can we cut the denominator?
We, if it is same, we can remove it from both the numbers.
So like that I can
Both
remove
the
it,
terms.
and 48, 45 I can divide by 9.
I'm showing you how to do it. I have one more period
Okay,
today,
please,
right?
I'm just sending
The
on the group.
next one, fifth one is my period only, right? Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir. So my answer came
So
8
till
ratio
then,
9.
you all please send if you have. I will do the
Okay, sir.
correction if there is something
8
wrong.
ratio 9.
Searching.
Very good, Sarah.
So send.
Absolutely right, Sania. Sania, answer is coming right, but why have you written 40 multiplied by 45 in the third step?
Sir, in the third step, I have written it because I'm taking the denominator as same as like 3 into 2 equal to 6, so I'm dividing in that way. So that's why.
You
So
should
20 into 2
cut
equals to
cut this third step. 40 multiplied by 45 whole upon 6. This is wrong. Cut it. The step in which you have used multiplication. It is not required at all. And you have multiplied the denominator also by 2 and the numerator also by 2
No, sir.
in the first.
No.
Correct, beta, but
Like
it is
that.
okay, but okay, I will tell you in the next period. Okay.
Okay, sir.